So the services team is really, really key. What we do is we take our clients on a journey depending on where they are in different stages of their evolution. So it may be that they're just beginning their cloud journey, in which case we can look through assessments to look at optimizing their environment and moving them into the cloud. If they're more mature and they've already moved to the cloud, then it may be that they're looking for our support services or our managed services, or actually maybe they're looking more towards how they can optimize the cost of their cloud spend. So we can use FinOps and cloud economics best practices to make sure they're getting the most value from their cloud spend. We lead when we're talking to our clients with optimize to innovate, but it's far more than a marketing tagline. It's actually everything we kind of live and breathe. So the optimization piece is looking at how we can take a client's environment and actually look at making it either more cost effective, more environmentally friendly, or actually run more efficiently, or maybe it's actually easier to support and to actually manage. And then the innovation comes from where we might move towards moving from an on-premise environment into the cloud and potentially moving towards more microservices. We can also look to support clients in different ways, either with our support services or with our managed services, to allow us to take away some of the pain of actually running those environments. In all honesty, it's a very difficult question to answer because we provide such a breadth of services, and what is right for one customer is not necessarily right for the next customer that comes along. So for some of our customers, they will save huge amounts of money, and we're talking 6 digits upwards in some cases, by going through some of our FinOps best practices to actually optimize their cloud spend. For other customers, they are not quite as mature as that, and maybe they're looking at migrating towards the cloud. And so they're looking at how they can actually do that so we can support with that. For others, they may be looking at how we can support them more appropriately once they've moved to the cloud, because maybe they've not got that skill set, or maybe they've moved to the cloud and they've simply done what we call a lift and shift. So they've taken what they've had on-prem, moved it across the cloud environment, and now they need to actually optimize that. So it's following the Microsoft or the AWS or the Google, whoever happens to be best practices within their cloud environment, thereby making it run more efficiently from not just a technical perspective, but also a cost and also a management perspective.